Hello everyone, welcome back to LFI Educates. Let's continue our lesson and don't forget to keep your textbook, note copies and pencils ready. Today we will be learning about multiplication and division facts, written method of multiplication and more multiplication. Multiplication and division facts. Operation. Operation is something you have to do to a number. Whether it's plus, minus, multiply or divide, all are mathematical operations. Inverse. Having the opposite effect. Now plus 9 is inverse of minus 9. Multiplied by 5 is the inverse of divide by 5. Inverse operations. Operations that undo each other if applied to a number one after the other. Example, 10 minus 2 plus 2 equals to 10. Here we see plus 2 and minus 2 are inverse operations, so they will undo each other or cancel each other. So the answer just remains as 10. The second example is 7 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 equals to 7. So here multiplied by 3 and divided by 3 are the inverse operations. Now they cancel each other or undo each other, so the answer remains as 7. Now let us complete this multiplication grid. Now we have here the multiplication sign 4, 6, 8, 7, 5. This is blank 8, 24, 56, 21 and 45. What this means is these numbers here will multiply with these numbers here and we have to fill the grid. For example, 4 multiplied by what will give you 8. So we know 4 multiplied by 2 equals to 8. So this 2 we can write it here. 4 into 2 is 8. So similarly, look here, 24. 6 into 4 is 24. 6 4s are 24. So 4 will come here. 8 into what will give me 56? 8 into 7 will give me 56. So I write 7 here. Now 7 into what will give me 21? 7 into 3 will give me 21. So 3 I will write here. Now 5 into 9 is 45. So I hope you can understand the importance of multiplication tables here. Now this is not over. We have to complete the entire grid. Now it will be easy. 9 into 4 is 36. 9 into 6 is 54. 9 into 8 is 72. 9 into 7 is 63. 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 6 is 18. 8 3s are 24. 5 3s are 15. 7 into 4 is 28. 7 into 6 is 42. 7 into 7 is 49. 7 5s are 35. 4 into 4 is 16. 8 4s are 32. 7 4s are 28. 5 4s are 20. 6 2s are 12. 8 2s are 16. 7 2s are 14 and 5 2s are 10. So there you have it. The grid is complete. Written methods of multiplication. Product. The answer you get when you multiply two or more numbers together is known as product. For example, 7 into 8 is 56. So 56 is the product of 7 multiplied by 8. Estimate first, then calculate. This is question number 1B from page number 16. First, we have to estimate and then we have to actually calculate and check the answer. So let's estimate. 426, we can estimate this as 400. So 400 multiplied by 3 equals to 1200. Now, let's check if the answer will be somewhere near or not. 426 multiplied by 3. Now, 6 into 3 is 18. 1, 8, 18. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1, 7. 3 into 4 is 12. So we have the product as 1278. Now, which is quite close to 1200. So we can say the answer is reasonable and the product is 1278. Now, we have multiplied two numbers, so the answer that we get is known as the product. Let's take another example. Now, here in this question, we have 24.3 multiplied by 6. So first, let us estimate. 24.3, let us estimate this as 20. Now, multiplied by 6 equals to 120. Now, let us calculate. 24.3 multiplied by 6. Now, there are different ways of multiplying, so I would like to teach you this way because I find this way much easier. Now, 6 into 3 is 18. 1, 8. Now, this is a decimal point. I know you must be getting confused. Just follow the process of multiplication like you always know, and then we will deal with this later. Now, 6 3s are 18. 1 and 8, 18. 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25. 2, 5. 6 2s are 12, 13, 14. Now, you have 1458. Now, you have a decimal number here. So, you put the decimal number here. So, the product equals to 145.8. Now, which is also again a bit close to 120. So, our answer is reasonable and correct. The product is 145.8. Use only the digits 1, 5 and 7 to complete this calculation. So you have two empty boxes here multiplied by 3 and 3 other boxes here. And we have to use only the digits 1, 5 and 7 to fill these boxes. So let's try. So let's take 1, 7 into 3. Now 7 into 3 is 21. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 51. So the answer is coming as 5 and 1, which is here. But we cannot use this one because it has to be a 3-digit answer. Let's try the second one. Let's say 75 into 3. 5 into 3 is 15. 7 3s are 21 plus 1, 22. Now this is a 3-digit number, but again 2 we do not have here, so this also we cannot use. So let's try 57 into 3. Now 7 3s are 21, 2, 1. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17. So you have a 3-digit number and we have the digits 1, 7 and again 1. So the final answer we can say here is 57 multiplied by 3 equals to 171. So you are using the digits 1, 5 and 7 to complete the boxes here. Use any method to calculate 58 into 63. So there are two numbers given here which we have to multiply, and there are a couple of ways by which you can multiply. Today I would like to show you one particular method. Now first you write 5 and 8. Then you write 6, 3. Then you put the multiplication sign here. Now you start multiplying. You start from the number which is at the back. 3 into 8. 8 threes are 24. 2, 4. Just like the normal multiplication. 3 into 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Now this number you have already multiplied. Now you move on to this number. Now before you do that, you add one cross here. Now 6 into 8. 6 into 8 is 48. 6 into 5 is 30. Now plus 4, 34. Now this and this you have to add. That means you will put one plus sign here. 4 plus nothing will give me 4. 7 plus 8 will give me 15. 5, 1 here. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 3 plus nothing is 3. So the product is 3654. Calculate 13 into 13 and 31 into 31. What do you notice about the result? So let us calculate. 13, 13. I will multiply these two numbers. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 ones are 3. Like I told you earlier, I will put one cross here. 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 1 is 1. So these two numbers I will add. 9 plus nothing is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus nothing is 1. Now let's do 31 multiplied by 31. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 3 is 3. I'll put one cross. 1 into 3 is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. I'll add these two numbers. 1 plus nothing is 1. 3 plus 3 is 6. And 9 plus nothing is 9. For this one, the product is 169. And for this one, the product is 961. What do you notice about the result? That the number is in the reverse order. 169961. That is all we have for today. Keep practicing. If you have any doubts, please keep in touch with us. Thank you. Bye-bye.